Hey, this is Deborah. We are just here to tell you to get out and go and enjoy the outdoors. You can hear the birds tweeting, the beautiful sun is shining, the outdoor fresh air, whether you're on your back deck or patio or you're sitting by an open window that you can hear and smell the fresh breeze. We're just inviting you to get out and go. And we go, the Freedomwand goes wherever you go. So just by tucking all three of these pieces into the cloth carry bag, it's very discreet, and I've got all my tools in here as well, and some pom-poms are in here just in case. But get out and go hiking, go biking, go riding, go boating, go to the beach. Just get out and go this summer and enjoy life and know that we go wherever you go. Have a great summer.